Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You've installed the drive, so start disk management right away. Press Win plus X and pick Disk Management. You need to see the new disk listed as unallocated or uninitialized. If Windows prompts to initialize, choose GPT for UEFI systems. Choose MBR only for peculiar legacy setups. Once initialized, you'll be able to create a new volume. This step matters because the partition style determines bootability and compatibility with system features like Secure Boot and GPT-based tools. Now you partition and format so Windows can use the SSD. Right-click the unallocated region and create a new simple volume, then pick Size, Drive Letter, and File System, NTFS for general use, XFAT if you need cross-platform compatibility. Formatting writes the file system so Windows recognizes files properly. Make sure to set a drive letter that doesn't conflict with network mappings. Once formatted, use Explorer to confirm the drive appears. Performance tuning comes next if you want top speeds. Finish by optimizing settings and resolving common issues. Make sure ensthy is enabled in BIOS for SATA SSDs because it enables trim and better performance. NVMe drives need the correct M2 slot and NVMe support. Update storage drivers and run Windows Update. Device Manager will show any driver errors. If the SSD still doesn't appear, rescan disks in Disk Management, receipt cables, try another port, and consider a firmware or BIOS update. If that fails, swap the drive to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.